Many people go through life wishing they could weld or planning to learn to weld someday. And you can learn on your own, but it's a little bit longer and a little bit tougher than if somebody who knows how to weld is looking over your shoulder and saying, change this, change that, there you go. We are teaching a welding class this year at the Mark Adams School of Woodworking. In just 1 week, you will go from, even if you've never touched a welder, you'll be making beautiful welds, strong welds, welds that look good, welds that you're proud of, welds you want to take pictures of, welds that you want to show off. And then for the grand finale of the class, we are going to build a rocket stove. Every person in the class is going to build their own individual rocket stove they get to take home with them at the end of the class. Now, our welding class sold out last year, so if you go to the link and you can't register for the class, make sure that you sign up so you get notified when the next one comes available for the following year. But if there's still spots available, jump on it right away because they tend not to last. After you've taken this class, you'll know how to weld, you'll know how to weld at home, and you'll have an amazing rocket stove that you can take home with you. So when you come to the welding class at Mark Adams School of Woodwork, not only will you learn how to weld, we'll make several things throughout the week that you will practice your welding on. And then as the grand finale, the crowning jewel, towards the end of the week, we're going to start construction on your very own rocket stove. And by the time you leave, you will have a functional rocket stove. If time allows, we will test them right there at the Mark Adams School of Woodworking. We'll fire them up, make sure they burn. That's going to be fun. Check the description of this video for the class dates or the link to the classes. Just follow that link and you'll see a list of welding classes at the Mark Adams School of Woodwork. We hope you can join us. You don't forget the welding part. Just being able to make one of these rocket stoves and have this is going to be worth the week.